Hi, everybody. It's Mark V, your AI geek and ChatGPT super user. And today I'm excited to share some news with you. If you're like me and were bummed when Midjourney started charging for their services, wait, what is Midjourney? No, Midjourney is that AI powered design program which creates images from textual descriptions. But great news, Canva. And if you're not already using Canva, you should. Canva just introduced something, and it's in their apps section. You'll see us at the top that says text to image. You click generate images. You're going to just go ahead and put use in new design. And let's just create a document for this demonstration's sake. And what it's going to ask you to do is in the top left-hand corner, type a description of the picture that you would like to appear in your design. So in this particular case, I'm running the Flying Pig Marathon this weekend. And so it says a smiling, happy pink pig with white wings in the style of a Warner Brothers cartoon flying in the sky ahead of a group of running people. Let's give it a shot. So it's going to be thinking, it's going to transform those words into an image. But while I have your attention, if you know anyone looking for a job, or if you know of a college senior who's getting ready to enter the workforce, please tag them in the comments below and have them read the newsletter when the link is below. And I would love to chat with them because I'm helping people out using ChatGPT to accelerate their job search. And look at that. We've already got 4 different images and 4 different ideas. If you click on one of them, look, it appears right in your design. So down here, there's a create again button. There is a start over button. And there's a lot of other things you can do, but that's all the time I'm going to take for you. Have a wonderful weekend, and I look forward to talking to you soon.